Hi kids, I am Casey Kamak. Together we'll look at the components of a computer system. Before we proceed, will you kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel? Thank you. A computer system has three main components. So we can classify them as the hardware components, the software components, and the peopleware components. The hardware component refers to the parts of a computer system you can see and touch. They are classified in line with the 5 functions of a computer system. Therefore, we have the input devices, the output devices, the processing devices, the storage devices, and the communication devices. Input devices are used to send data into the computer system. Examples include the keyboard, which is used to type text and numbers, the mouse, which is used to point and select items, the scanner, which is used to capture hard copy components, hard copy documents and images and send them into the computer, the microphone, which is used to send sound into the computer system, and the touchscreen monitor, which serves as input and output at the same time. You can use the finger to point and select items, and also the screen displays results. Output devices are used to display results to the computer users. Examples of output devices include the monitor, which is used to display results on the screen. It also enables the user to work effectively. The printer, which is used to produce a hard copy output. It prints results on papers. The speaker, which is used to generate sound from the computer for the users to hear. Processing devices are used by the computer to process data and generate results. Examples of processing devices are the Central Processing Unit or CPU, which is used to process and manipulate data. The cache memory, which is used to store data so that CPU can process it faster. It is faster and smaller than the RAM. The random access memory, which provides a storage space for applications so that they can be processed faster. It is also called the main memory or primary memory, and it is volatile. Being volatile means that when power is off, available data on the memory is erased. Storage devices are used to save data and information for a future use. Examples of storage devices include the hard disk drive, which is used to save virtually everything in the computer system. The flash drive, which is a portable or removable drive that stores information. You can carry it from place to place. It also uses a USB connector to connect to the computer. The memory card, which stores information and data, especially used in mobile phones. A compact disc or digital video disc, which stores data in optical disc formats. It has different forms such as the CD recordable and the CD rewritable. The solid state drive, which is the same as the hard disk drive but is faster and more power efficient than hard disk drive. The SSD is more expensive with a lower storage capacity. Finally, the communication devices are used to exchange data and information between computers. Some examples of communication devices are the Ethernet switch, which provides an RJ port that allows computers to be interconnected using a network cable. Network cables, which is used to interconnect two or more computers through an Ethernet switch. A wireless router, which provides a wireless access point that allows computers to interconnect with each other using a Wi-Fi. A modem, which is a USB stick that is used to connect a computer to the internet. It uses the SIM card to allow a dial-up connection. Thank you for staying tuned for this tutorial. In our next tutorial, we'll discuss the software and vaporware components. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being here.